Welcome to this in-depth demonstration of our advanced CNC water jet cutting machine. In this 2-minute video, you'll see just how powerful and precise this equipment is when cutting through metal sheets. One of the greatest advantages of using a water jet cutter is its ability to make clean, precise cuts without introducing heat. This means there is no risk of heat distortion, preserving the structural integrity of the metal. Unlike traditional cutting methods such as laser or plasma cutting, water jet technology ensures that no heat-affected zones are created. This makes it perfect for delicate or highly detailed work where maintaining the original properties of the material is essential. As you watch this video, keep in mind that the cutting process is shown in real time without any speed adjustments. As you watch this video, keep in mind that the cutting process is shown in real time without any speed adjustments. As you watch this video, keep in mind that the cutting process is shown in real time without any speed adjustments. This allows you to see the true performance and cutting speed of our water jet machine. Notice how smoothly and effortlessly the machine glides through the metal sheet. The precision is unmatched, capable of producing complex shapes with sharp corners and fine details with ease. Water jet cutting is also an environmentally friendly option. It uses water and an abrasive substance to cut, which means there is no release of harmful gases or thermal pollution, making it safer for both operators and the environment. When it comes to versatility, this machine stands out. It can cut through not only metal but also a variety of materials, including composites, stone, and glass, giving your workshop or factory incredible flexibility. In comparison to mechanical cutting methods, there is no toolware involved with water jet cutting, which reduces maintenance costs and extends the machine's service life. Observe the edge quality on the finished cuts. The smooth, burr-free edges minimize the need for secondary finishing, saving both time and costs in post-processing. For industries where precision and material preservation are crucial, such as aerospace, automotive, and custom metal fabrication, the water jet cutter delivers unmatched results. Even thick metal sheets are handled with ease, showcasing the power and capability of this machine. This opens up possibilities for various applications, from intricate designs to heavy-duty parts. Unlike saws and mechanical cutters, the water jet cuts with minimal noise and vibration, creating a quieter and more pleasant working environment. The water jet cutter's computer numerical control ensures pinpoint accuracy and repeatability, essential for high-volume production where consistency is key. This demonstration highlights the combination of speed and precision that makes the CNC water jet cutting machine a top choice for metal processing. Remember, this entire video is playing in real time, so you're witnessing the true capability of the machine without any editing tricks. With its high precision, versatility, and environmentally friendly operation, the CNC water jet cutter is the perfect investment for any metalworking industry. Now, let's watch how water jet cutting machine works. Now, the cutting works have been finished. The water jet head will back to original place. The technical use water washer gun to clean the metal parts surface. Now let us take a closer look at the finished metal parts. Each piece is precisely cut with smooth, clean edges, showcasing the machine's unparalleled accuracy. Notice the intricate details and sharp corners that remain perfectly intact. This level of precision is difficult to achieve with traditional cutting methods, making the CNC water jet cutter an invaluable tool for complex designs. The final components require minimal, if any, additional finishing, saving significant time and labor in the production process. This efficiency translates directly into cost savings and enhanced productivity. Thank you for joining us for this comprehensive look at our CNC water jet cutter. For more information on how this technology can benefit your operations, feel free to reach out or visit our website. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos showcasing cutting-edge metalworking technology.